Okay, so this is our demo for Sentry. Now, let's first start off by starting off our server and also running our compile. After that, we're going to open our debug extension. And if you take a look now, in the output console, Sentry is activated, and it's essentially monitoring the files we're going to be opening now. So right now, assume we just opened a code base, and we have a little bit of code on this side, and here I actually simulated a file. So this, assume you pull a file from a GitHub repository or something, and you start making changes and you mess something up. For example, you inserted right here your API key directly in a JavaScript file, for example. So say I inserted it and it's had blah 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 at the end, and then I made sure everything's good, blah blah blah, and then I saved it. And so essentially, what Sentry would do is actually lock down your IDE and ensure that you are actually taking a look at these fixes. And if you look at line 8, scroll down, line 8 has a vulnerability, and it actually tells you the suggested fix, to use an environment variable or a secrets manager, and you can actually fix it with Sentry. Now, Sentry, when you click fix with Sentry, this directly sends Bob the context of your bug, and it generates a fix for it. And obviously, once you've fixed all these critical and also medium level security vulnerabilities, you are able to then close down and actually push your code. And not only that, but if you scroll all the way at the bottom here, you're able to actually import a policy PDF or an MP3 recording. And this can come in very handy if you say, for example, have a code of conduct, for example, and this then loads this document. For example, I generated a code of conduct file here that has best practices, what or what not to use, and also have a meeting MP3 here, and all these are being fed into Bob. And essentially, this could be from a meeting that you've had with your manager, with your team, a stand-up call, or something of that sort, and you want to save that MP3 so you could actually use it on the job. And same thing with the PDF. There's a lot of standardized documents that companies use, and so you could take that directly and import it into whatever you're working on to ensure the best safety measures and best practices. And so that's it for our extension called Sentry. And thank you so much for the opportunity to participate in the IBM Hackathon.